What's up everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at how this simple and unassuming inventory system works. Using a debug key, I can add an item like this, and I can drag it wherever I want. If I double click an item, you'll see that one gets consumed and it adds a new item to my inventory. This is what we're going to be looking at. If we take a look at my item structure, we've got a boolean that defines if this item is consumable. So far so good. Then we've got an array of object class references of type item effect. What the heck is this? Well, if we take a quick look inside my inventory object, you'll see that when an attempt is made to consume an item, we check to make sure the item is consumable, and then we store a local reference to this item's array of item effects. After that, the item is subtracted from the inventory, and if the proper number of items were removed, in this case, 1, we then run a for each loop on that array of class references to the item's item effects, construct them, and run the trigger effect function. But wait, isn't constructing a ton of objects bad and slow? Nope. You'll see that I made the base item effect require the parent inventory, because with just the inventory you can not only manipulate other items, you can also get the inventory's owner, or outer for objects, and perform any number of effects on any of their components as well. But how does this all work exactly? If I open the item effect object, you'll see we have this blank function that we were just calling, and the variable that takes the parent inventory. Then, I have this class here which is derived from the item effect called useReward. This class has a few more variables, the row names of the items to be given, and the quantities for each. But if we go back to the inventory again, these variables aren't being set. To do that, we derive one more layer from the useReward which acts like a custom data object. But if we need to make a new effect object for every item, why do we don't though? That's the beauty of a system like this. Now my character's got a health bar. If I walk up to this box over here, oh no, my character took a lot of damage. Well, if I pop open the inventory and give myself some hearts, and then I use a heart, well, would you look at that? I just healed some health. That doesn't really feel like enough though. So I guess I better go change the object that defines how much health this is giving. No. If I open the data table, you'll see that this item now has an item effect called heal 10%. I would like this item to heal a little bit more though. So how about I just add another index to this array and whoops, now it's healing 20%. Now it's healing 30%. Now this is what I call a healing item. So yeah, the next time someone tells you that objects are useless and polymorphism is bad because it relies on the base class knowing exactly what all of the child classes are going to need to do, just smile, wave, and rejoice in the fact that you now know better. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I bareback wrestle a lion for sport. Or, you know, probably more Unreal Engine.